Alright, so I make a video yesterday. I tell the clients them say them can get a bill of quantity for protect themselves from dishonest contractors. And last night a man in my comment section tell me say, if me no know say it way more expensive to build a house with a bill of quantity. You see why I tell them to stop accuse them masonry of being contractors. Because any contractor supposed to know say you know get a bill of quantity done before the architect draw the plan. And you know make architect do bill of quantity. It's like you make the plumber do the electrical work. Alright. You see with a bill of quantity, you know the highest a contractor supposed to charge you. You get a let me look for the word. Let me make it simple. You know the exact amount of material you need. You know the exact amount of nail, the exact amount of sand, stone, cement, everything to complete the job. Right? So in the evenings when the workman them leave them off, dust off the sand off of them foot. Right? Because if the sand short, the contractor have to find sand to complete the job. If the cement short, the contractor have to find the cement. If the nail short, the contractor can't call you, the client, and say, nail short, boss. Right? But they're not ready for them a conversation. They're not ready for them a conversation. They're ready for... I go up on the page and not even know if I read that image. I'll show you if I read that image. Hold on. Hey, may I stop the video? I'll flip the camera and show you if I read that image. Hey, so let me show you if I read that image. See? If I send you go cut a piece of board and you measure it like this, I can give him take it and knock it in the head. And that me soon I'll go on it. I take measure on the learn to read, man. Look here. You see when you measure it like this, you can't get the accurate reading in the corner because the tape measure set like this. Right? So you don't know which one of them are the accurate measurement. Because we don't know about 1/8 and 3/16 and them something, you know? I'm show you how to accurately do a measurement like that if you can't do better. Alright? So, yeah, we know that you can turn the tape measure that way and do it. So, nobody will be smart. We're just trimming a situation like that. Right? So, you take the tape measure and you measure 10 inches from the corner. Right? And then you put the tape measure there so. And you get the measurement so. And then you add the 10 inches to the last measurement. So you get